Yes, I have obeyed the voice of the Lord
Yes, I have obeyed the voice of the
Ngilalelile
Lord.
izwi likaJehova.
and have gone the way which the Lord sent me.
Yes. Uthi ngitholile lendlela lo uNkulunkulu ayenzeni angithume ngayo. It means ngiyenze nje uNkulunkulu othezeni ngiyenze. Usho yena ukuthi uyiphethe khona. Let's go.
And have brought Agag, king of Amalek, and have utterly destroyed the Amalek.
I've utterly destroyed everything.
21. But the people took from the spoiled sheep.
They took from the spoiled sheep. It means they stole.
Kusho ukuthi batshontshe.
Let's go.
But the people took from the spoiled sheep and oxen, the chief of the things to be utterly destroyed, to sacrifice
Izinto bekumele wenzeni bezibhubhiswe. Bazithethe bona. Let's go.
the things to be utterly destroyed, to sacrifice to the Lord your God in Gilgal. 22.
They prepared it thinking we're going to sacrifice. So nikele enkosini ngaloku. Yeah, yabona sithethe lokhu soyenzani? So nikela ngawo. Let's go.
22. Samuel said, has the Lord as great a delight in burnt offerings?
Imagine, but bonikela uSaul uthi nguyenzile umsebenzi. Now the Samuel uthi, has the Lord delight on those things?
Samele ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyathokoza ngalezi zinto
On
lezi.
sacrifices.
Kumhlatshelo.
uNkulunkulu uyayifuna lento leyo na. He's asking a question, but then uthini? Asenzile. Hayi, ngibulele konke, cedile, angihambena ngendlela kaNkulunkulu. Now Samuel says, does the Lord delight?
Samele ukuthi uNkulunkulu
On
uthokozile na
sacrifice.
umhlatshelo.
Let's go.
Samuel said, has the Lord as great a delight in burnt offerings and sacrifices as in obeying the voice of the Lord?
Now he removes the sacrifice.
Uyasusa ke
He
manje
said,
umhlatshelo.
God does not delight on sacrifice,
Ukuthi uNkulunkulu akathokozi ngomhlatshelo.
but he delights on obedience.
Kodwa uthokoziswa
Yebo
ukulalela.
nenzile but ulahla into eyi-1 azange ulalele. Ubulele, uthethe izinto, uyabuya manje uthi wena wenze yonke into correctly. He said, no, you didn't listen. You didn't
Azange ngilalele.
listen. Let's go.
Ngilalelanga.
As in obeying the voice of the Lord, behold,
Behold,
to obey
to obey
Ukulalela.
is better than sacrifice.
is better than sacrifice. Now he
Kungcono
opens the order of
kunomhlatshelo. Manje
Melchizedek.
ke sekavela uhlelo la
To obey
kaMelchizedek.
is better than sacrifice.
Ukulalela kungcono
Meaning it's better to
kunomhlatshelo.
enter
Kusho ukuthi
into the
kungcono
order of
ukungena
Melchizedek
ehlelweni lika
than
Melchizedek.
remaining with disobedience while you are
Kunokuthi uhlale
sacrificing.
nokungalaleli kodwa uyanikeza umhlatshelo.
Uyanikeza, uyahlabela, mara ulaleli. Oh, let's go.
Behold, to obey
To obey
is better
is better
than
Kungcono.
than
sacrifice,
sacrifice.
Kunomhlatshelo.
and to hearken than the
And to
fat.
hearken. To obey and to hearken.
Ukulalela nokuthi
Hearing and
ulalele.
obedience
Ukuzwa nokulalela isizwe.
zenzani ziyahlangana maye zihamba zonke. Ukuzwa nokulalela. Let's go.
And to hearken than the fat of rams.
Than the fat of rams. Shithi uNkulunkulu uthi angimuva ela mafutha ukuthi ibe ram inone kangakanani anginandaba naloko. But if there's no obedience,
Kodwa mangiyekho ukulalela.
I reject it.
Ngiyakulahla
I
ngiyakwala.
reject it.
Ngiyakwala.
No matter how you preach to people,
Noma ngabe
If you
ungabashumayeza
don't reach
kangakanani
their
abantu.
hearts,
Uma ngabe ungafinyelela enhlizweni zabo.
you might be fine sacrificing instead of obedience.
Ngiyenzeka utholakala
Your
usunikeza
messages
umhlatshelo
can be
nokuthi
messages
ulalele.
of sacrifice,
Imilayezo yakho kungaba imilayezo yomhlatshelo.
sacrificial messages
Imilayezo yemhlatshelo.
instead of obedience.
Kunokulalela.
Let's go.
Verse 23. For rebellion
Rebellion. Yeah, uzwe ke
Kuba
manje.
hlongandlela.
Abawathi ukuhamba uyenyangeni uyolanda umuthi wenzeni izwa. Ikhulu.
For rebellion is as the sin of witchcraft.
Now sila emsahweni sifuna ukulwa nobuthakathi. If asizwa lo buthakathi boshaya thina. Ngoba nathi sifana nabo asilaleli bani? Uthi yena nabathakathi endaweni sukane uNkulunkulu athi ufana nabo mase. Bona baphethe umuthi wena uphethe rebellion. Uyabona ungamamela kwingozi yakhe. Uba yini umthakathi. Repeat. Abafuna ukuyizwa le abazali. If you don't listen, you are like a
Ungalaleli.
witch.
Ufana nomthakathi.
uNkulunkulu nakakubheka ubona ini umthakathi. That's why at the end uSaul wenzani? Wahamba uyivusa umoya kabani? kaSamuel. Umoya obuthakathi uqale kuphi? Ekungalaleleni. Now at the end wakhonithatha ini isangoma. Into angazange yenze lo muntu because uNkulunkulu igcine nofuna ukuzwa kuphi ezangomeni. iqale nge-disobedience.
Qale ngokungalaleli.
Disobedience leads you to idol worshipping.
Ukungalaleli kukholela ekutheni uyokhonza izithixo.
Disobedience leads you to idol worshipping.
Ukungalaleli kukholela ekutheni udumisa izithixo.
Repeat and go.
For rebellion is as the sin of witchcraft, and stubbornness
And stubbornness
Inkani.
is as idolatry and teraphim, household good luck images.
ithi indlu yakho kuba ngathi uphethe izithixo. Imagine if I don't listen mina, should nangena la noma singabeka ngithombe mara nizezithombeni. You get it? Fana ukuthi nize kuphi ezithombeni because mina ngumlaleli uNkulunkulu. So mina nangithandazela so nonke nginifaka ezithixweni. Faka umoya obusangoma, umoya ngumfaka umoya ubuthakathi, umoya ngumfaka umoya egcineni ngiproduce izangoma nabathakathi la. Repeat this.
For rebellion is as the sin of witchcraft,
It's as a sin of witchcraft.
Fana
So
nesono
it means
sobuthakathi.
if I pray for you
Ushuthi mangikhulekela
and I'm disobedient to God,
bese mina ngimlalela
I'm bewitching
uNkulunkulu. Ngiyakuthakatha, ngiyakuloya.
I'm bewitching you.
Ngiyakuthakatha.
I'm not bringing you to God.
Ayingilethe kuNkulunkulu.
I'm bringing you to idols
Kodwa ngilethe
through
izithixo.
disobedience.
Ngokungalaleli.
Even though ngishumayela uJesu, but nangamlalela uJesu ngiyakuthakatha. Ukulalela ngasoke isikhathi usiza uphila kwethu uyalalelwa uNkulunkulu. Yabona bafuna ukuyicula abazalwane bayazi ukuthi bathi phela sowushumayele lo mlayezo sesiyasaba nokuyicula. Kanti esikhathi bathi ukulalela bakhuluma ngani ngomthandazo yabo nathi basizinhlungwini hayi ukulalela uNkulunkulu ungekho enhlungwini. Ufuna umlalela uthi mangithandaza ngithi nginikigaro uyalalela but nakathi kuwe come here.
Makathi uza lapho.
Will you come?
Uzoza na.
Would you come
Uzoza na.
with your heart?
Inhliziyo yakho.
Will you offer him sacrifice
Uzomnikelela
or
inhlatshelo
will you offer him obedience?
noma uzonikela ngokulalela kwakho.
Ask your neighbor. Say, is it sacrifice or obedience? The order of Melchizedek,
Ihlelo lika
the
Melchizedek.
order of obedience,
Ihlelo lokulalela.
the order of the old priest,
Ihlelo lompristi omdala.
sacrifice.
Hlatshelo.
And now we are found in the higher priest, which is Jesus Christ.
Sitholakala kumpristi omkhulu uJesu Kristu.
Let's go. Repeat and go on.
For rebellion is as the sin of witchcraft, and stubbornness
And stubbornness. So where there's rebellion, there's stubbornness.
La kunobuhlangandlebe khona
Umuntu
kunenkani.
ongalaleli stubborn. Akunamuntu olalelayo ongekho stubborn. Ongezwa stubborn. Let's go.
and stubbornness is as idolatry and teraphim,
Idolatry and teraphim.
Kwenza izithixo namatherafi.
household good luck images.
Household good luck of images.